Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I'll show you how we can wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and from the options, once they show up, you want to select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. So both of these buttons. Once you see the Huawei logo, you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And once you see the recovery mode, you can also let go of the volume up. Here you want to select clear data and then wipe cache partition, which will begin formatting cache, and there we go, it's already finished, so we can now select back and restart, and this will take us back to Harmony OS. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.